preheat your oven to 425 degrees. I'm cooking 2 pieces, but you can cook more. Just make sure you adjust the seasoning and butter accordingly. Get 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and if you can manage a little bit of heat, add 1/4 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix everything together. Tear off a section of aluminum foil for each individual piece of corn. Brush the butter seasoning mix onto the corn. Then wrap them up and place them on a baking sheet. Once your oven is preheated, bake at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes, or until the corn is soft. After cooking, carefully remove them, they'll be very hot. The butter mix on the bottom half of the corn will melt into the bottom of the foil, and you'll be able to roll your corn in the melted mix as you eat. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.